my first memory of SZA is one of my really good friends, Sydney, trying to convince me to actually listen to SZA. She just makes music for girls like me. Like, you're cool, but you're not like girly, but you're not like full-on tomboy. You're just like carefree black girl vibes. When she was performing Z in Soho somewhere, and I was like a freshman in college, and the same friend, Sydney, was like, we have to go. And I'm like, I can't go, I have class. She was like, fine, I'm going. So she went, and me and my other friend went to Dover Street Market. So we were coming from streetwear, and the elevator stops at 2. And the elevator opens, and it's SZA. And I'm just like, that was it. That's all I didn't say anything. I blew it, but if I could meet her again, I'd think of something. I'd say something other than silence. Before we get into the transformation, don't forget to subscribe below. This first look is from 2014 when SZA is performing at the Pitchfork Music Festival. For her makeup, her base is minimal and her lids have a medium brown eyeshadow, and the inner corners are highlighted with a shimmery white and gold eyeshadow. SZA's hair is curled and teased out. It's pulled back into 2 pigtails with gray scrunchies. Her eyes are finished off with bold, fluttery eyelashes. She's wearing a nude brown lipstick. Freckles are drawn across her nose and cheeks. Oh, this is like if SZA was a Bratz doll. The freckles, of course, are super SZA, but just like this hair is a moment. I'm living for this. This is great. Just walking into work like, hey, R2-9ers, it's poppin', it's me. You know, your dog come to life, here to shine, bring the SZA vibes. It's great. The second look is from the 2016 Pemberton Music Festival. This is a very simple look. SZA's base is lightly contoured. For her eyes, she has a white eyeshadow winged out, and she's wearing a fluffy set of eyelashes. For her hair, it is an orange red, and it's curled and teased out. She is also wearing a nude lip in this look. Oh my God. Who knew I could be like red? The red hair is just amazing. Like, amazing. It's like 80s vibes, but we're like shouting out SZA. I feel like it's very accurate. This last look is from the 2018 Met Gala. The theme was Heavenly Bodies, Fashion, and the Catholic Imagination. SZA looks very regal and dreamy. Brown eyeshadow is dusted into her crease with a silver glitter on her lids. She has a winged liner and a full set of lashes. There is bright gold eyeshadow on her inner corners, and for her base, she has a warm blush and contour. Her hair is curled and draped around her shoulders. She has soft bangs and 2 braids that frame her face. There are 2 gold tears dripping down her cheek. To top off this look, SZA is wearing a halo crown. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at this crown. Get into this eye makeup though. And the tears are so perfect. Just like, you know, your not so average Black Madonna. I came to slay. It doesn't get any more real than this. The dress is perfect, the hair, the makeup. This is a look. She's put together, she's ready to go. This look definitely has my heart. Like, yeah, the pigtails, unforgettable, but this is just like, you can't top this. It doesn't get any better. It's like, this is like when someone's like, I care. No, I don't, I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. To let me know what you'd like to see more of, comment down below. To subscribe, click here. And to watch more, click here.